Hello, good morning, all of you. Student, today I discuss MCQ questions. Standard 8th, Chapter 1, Part 8. Different MCQ. First of all, leguminous plants help in the replacement of the soil with oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, or carbon dioxide? No, nitrogen. Leguminous plants help in the replacement of the soil for nitrogen. Before sowing, seeds should be treated. सीड्स को सोइंग करने से पहले ट्रीटेड करना चाहिए किससे? फंगिसाइड से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस, विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज नॉट अ ट्रेडिशनल मेथड ऑफ इरिगेशंस? मोट, ढेकली, रहत इज अ ट्रेडिशनल मेथड but not traditional method. Drip system is a not traditional method. Next questions, the soil which needs least frequent irrigations. The least frequent irrigations, clay. Next questions, which of the flowering crops requires standing water? For rice, requires standing waters always. Irrigations of rice crops always standing in water. Also discuss different method of irrigation. Modern method of irrigations, or there are two method, mainly modern method or traditional method. For modern method, the modern methods used for irrigation are as follows. First of all, drip system or sprinkler systems. Let us discuss drip system. In this system, holes in pipes allow water to fall drop by drop just at the position of the roots. Water is not wasted at all. This system also saves water loss due to evaporations. It is a boon in regions where less water is available. ये काफ़ी उस रीजन्स के लिए बेस्ट नहीं है जहाँ पे वाटर का क्वांटिटी क्या हो, काफ़ी लेस हो, अवेलेबिलिटी क्या हो, वाटर का लेस हो. नेक्स्ट, स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम. इन स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम, water is sprayed on the plants using sprinklers. The perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on top are called sprinklers. The sprinklers are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. Pumps are fitted in this. In this system, for lifting water, when the pump is switched on, the water is lifted and allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressures. Through the rotating nozzles, it gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. The sprinkler is very useful for sandy soil, for the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. During irrigations, it is necessary to ensure the proper availability of water with adequate drainage and irrigated field. Excessive irrigations causes waterlogging. Due to waterlogging, the air in the soil gets replaced with water, which reduces the supply of air to the roots of plants. This adversely affects the growth of plants. Different topics. Crop protections. Crop protections to unwanted plants which grow along with a cultivated crop in a field are called weeds. Some common weeds found in India: Amarnathus, चुलाई, convolvulus, khuri, chenopodium, bathua, cypress, acranthus, little jeera, weeds, herbs crops in the following ways. First of all, the growth of weeds in the crop field is harmful because they consume a great amount of nutrients, water, sunlight, and space, which is for the crop plants. Next, the weeds harbor pests, harmful insects that destroy crops. Crops crop pests spread various crop disease. Next point, some weeds produce toxic substances that may be poisonous for animals and human beings. Hence, it is very essential for farmers to remove the weeds to protect the crop plants. The best time for the removal of weeds is before they produce flowers and seeds. The process of removing the weeds from crop field is called weeding. What is weeding? The process of removing the weeds from crop field is called weedings. Weedings can be done by the following methods. Mechanical methods. Weeds may be pulled out with hand or through plugging. They can also be removed by using tractor driven seed drill, hoe and harrow. The seeds that appear during the growth of crops plants are removed manually by using a trowel, khurpi. Using by trowel, khurpi. This is mechanical implements. Next, chemical method. First of all, mechanical method. Next, chemical method. Weed killing chemicals called weedicides are sprayed on weeds in the field to destroy or kill them. Some common weedicides are 2,4-D, 2,4-dichlorophenoxy, acetic acid, MCPA, 2-methyl, 1,4-chloro, 1-phenoxy acetic acid, butchlor, dalapon, metachlor, and cezanne. These are weedicides. Do not damage the main crops. Spraying of weedicides may affect the health of farmers. So, they should use these weedicides very carefully. They should cover their nose and mouth with a piece of cloth during spraying of weedicides with a sprayer. The gains should be washed. The gain should be washed thoroughly before consumption because weedicides are poisonous. Do you know? Next, these days, environment friendly natural weedicides called bioweedicides are being used. Some microorganisms like bacteria and fungi are used as bioweedicides to destroy weeds. Next method, biological methods. Insects or some other organism that consume and especially destroy the weed plants are introduced in the crop field. This is called biological control of weeds. The best Indian example of biological control is weeding of prickly pear cactus by using the cochineal insects. Thank you.